Alright, so I'm going to now install the bearing. This is definitely not advised for anybody, but this is how we're going to do it. My trusty assistant is going to help me, and this is all under the supervision of my next door neighbor. So, yes.
I should have on safety dog.
Gloves.
Me or you?
Still. Okay, we're going down, Bob?
Keep it. Yep. Halfway there. Keep going.
Keep going?
Mm-hmm. I'll tell you when.
Straight back.
It's on. Is he going across that lip?
One more. Good. Hear the ting?
Yeah.
That's solid all the way then.
That's funny.
Gotta wait for that ting.
Alright, everybody. So, this is my black pipe. And I use part of, I don't know if you can even see this, part of my hub puller
Your shoulders
in the top. Part of my hub puller and the top of it. So, let's see how the well, you can definitely see because of that radius we had before, we definitely set back about a 1/16 of an inch further than with that old bearing that had that small radius in it. So this was the old line. And the best part is nobody got hurt during this filming.